the worst financial decision you've seen someone make? 1. A guy in my fraternity got $30,000 for an undisclosed reason, probably a family loss or something, and bet it all on the Yankees winning one game. They lost. 2. My awful aunt was the trustee for my grandparents' estate when they passed. She decided to sell their house to a random realtor who left a leaflet on the door. The house wasn't put on the market, and she rejected my matching offer after I argued hard to list the house and allow people to bid on it. The realtor slapped a new coat of paint on it and sold it a couple of months later for literally $1 million more than she bought it for. 3. My supervisor took out a loan against their 401k to pay rent because their credit cards were maxed out. 2 weeks later, they bought a brand new $60,000 Lincoln with almost nothing down, saying, "My daughter just had a baby and I need a bigger car for that." 4. A guy in our town who owned a small convenience store spent $20,000 on fidget spinners. He ended up begging people for over a year to buy them because he was about to lose his business. His marriage also fell apart because of it. 5. A coworker I used to have worked every second of overtime for years to save up for a house. When he applied for the loan, he calculated the mortgage based on all the overtime he had been working. I tried to warn him that it was a bad idea, but he didn't listen. A few years later, he ended up divorced because his wife got tired of him always working. 6. A guy I briefly dated joined an MLM scheme selling insurance. During dinner, he gave me a long monologue about it, but I told him I had no money. He got furious and even tried to sell insurance to our waiter at the restaurant. He failed again. I'm still laughing about it.